Look up at the night sky. It's a vast expanse filled with countless stars, each one a distant sun. On a clear night you can see countless stars. Each of these stars has its own story, its own system of planets and mysteries. One of these star systems, Alpha Centauri, holds a special place in our imagination. It has been a subject of fascination for astronomers and dreamers alike. It is the closest star system to our own, making it a prime candidate for exploration and study. Alpha Centauri is about 4.37 light-years away from Earth. This distance, while seemingly small on a cosmic scale, is still vast beyond our current travel capabilities. This might seem close, but it's an enormous distance. To put it in perspective, light, which travels at an incredible speed, takes over 4 years to reach Alpha Centauri from Earth. Alpha Centauri is actually a system of 3 stars. This trinary system is unique and offers a fascinating glimpse into the complexity of our universe. 2 of these stars, Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B, are like our Sun. They orbit each other in a beautiful cosmic dance, creating a binary star system. The 3rd star, Proxima Centauri, is a red dwarf. It is the smallest and faintest of the 3, yet it holds its own mysteries. It is much smaller and cooler than our Sun. Despite its size, Proxima Centauri has captured the interest of scientists due to its potential for hosting planets. Proxima Centauri is the closest of the 3 stars to Earth. Its proximity makes it an intriguing target for future space missions. Scientists believe that there might be planets orbiting these stars. These exoplanets could potentially harbor life or offer conditions similar to Earth. Imagine finding another Earth out there. The discovery of such a planet would be a monumental step in our quest to understand the universe. Alpha Centauri is a prime target in our search for life beyond our solar system. Its proximity and the potential for habitable planets make it a beacon of hope in our exploration of the cosmos. Traveling to another star system is a huge challenge. The distances are vast. Our fastest spacecraft would take tens of thousands of years to reach Alpha Centauri. We need new technologies to conquer these distances. One idea is to use powerful lasers to propel tiny spacecraft. These spacecraft could reach speeds of 20% the speed of light. This would shorten the journey to Alpha Centauri to just a few decades. Another challenge is the harsh environment of space. Space is filled with radiation and micrometeoroids. We need to develop spacecraft that can protect astronauts from these dangers. Interstellar travel will require a global effort. It will push the boundaries of science and engineering, but the rewards of reaching another star system would be immeasurable. Let's imagine we have achieved interstellar travel. The vastness of space is no longer a barrier, and humanity has ventured beyond our solar system. We arrive at Alpha Centauri A, the closest star system to our own, just over 4 light-years away. Our advanced telescopes detect a planet in the habitable zone, a region where conditions might be right for life. This is the region around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. Liquid water is essential for life as we know it. Without it, life as we understand it would be impossible. The planet, which we'll call Proxima b, is slightly larger than Earth, offering a tantalizing possibility of a new home. It orbits Alpha Centauri A at a distance that gives it a similar amount of sunlight as Earth, potentially creating Earth-like conditions. But Proxima b has 2 suns in its sky. Imagine the breathtaking sunsets and sunrises with 2 stars. The second sun, Alpha Centauri b, would be a bright star, adding a unique dynamic to the planet's sky. What would it be like to stand on the surface of Proxima b? We can only imagine the alien landscapes and the feeling of a new world under our feet. Perhaps the planet has continents and oceans teeming with unknown forms of life. Maybe it has an atmosphere that we could breathe. The possibilities are endless, and the discovery of such a world would change our understanding of the universe forever. Section 4. Chase's footsteps. First contact on Proxima b. The first human to set foot on Proxima b is astronaut Chase. This moment marks a significant milestone in human history. He is a skilled pilot and scientist, trained for years to handle the unknown challenges of space exploration. He carries the hopes and dreams of humanity on his shoulders, representing the culmination of decades of research and ambition. Chase's mission is to explore and learn everything he can about this new world to pave the way for future human settlements. Chase's spacecraft lands on a vast plain covered in strange purple vegetation, a sight unlike anything seen on Earth. He steps out onto the surface and plants the flag of Earth in the alien soil. a symbol of human perseverance and exploration. He feels the pull of Proxima B's gravity, which is slightly stronger than Earth's, making each step a new experience. Chase begins his exploration, carefully navigating the unfamiliar terrain and documenting his findings. He collects samples of rocks, plants, and soil, each one a potential key to understanding this alien world. He sets up scientific instruments to study the atmosphere and magnetic field, crucial data for future missions. He is constantly aware of his surroundings, his senses heightened in this alien environment, knowing that every discovery could change our understanding of the universe. Section 5. The Unexpected. A Symphony of Life. As Chase ventures further, he discovers something incredible. Proxima B is teeming with life. It is unlike anything he has ever seen before. Strange bioluminescent creatures flit through the air. They leave trails of shimmering light behind them. Chase sees plants that tower like skyscrapers. They have leaves that change color with the light of the two suns. He hears sounds that he can only describe as music. It's a symphony of life unlike anything on Earth. Chase's discovery is groundbreaking. It proves that we are not alone in the universe. It opens up a whole new chapter in human history. Section 6. The Long Journey Home. Reflections from Alpha Centauri. Chase spends several months on Proxima B, collecting data and experiencing this new world. But eventually, it is time for him to return to Earth. As he prepares for the long journey home, he can't help but reflect on his experience. Chase has seen things that no human has ever seen before. He has walked on another planet, breathed its air, and felt the warmth of its suns. He has discovered life in a new and wondrous form. Chase knows that his journey will change humanity's understanding of its place in the universe. He returns to Earth as a hero, carrying with him stories and knowledge that will inspire generations to come. Section 7. Humanity's Reach, a Future Among the Stars. The journey to Alpha Centauri is just the beginning. It represents a new era of exploration for humanity. An era where we reach out to the stars and explore the vastness of the cosmos. In the future, we might build permanent settlements on Proxima B or other planets in nearby star systems. We might encounter other intelligent life forms. We might even discover new technologies and resources that could help us solve some of the problems we face on Earth. The possibilities are endless. But one thing is certain, the human spirit of exploration and discovery will continue to drive us forward. We will continue to reach for the stars, seeking new knowledge and new adventures. The universe awaits,